Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie Tips and Tricks. I am savvy with my money. I don't like to buy something that I know costs much less by making it at home. It happens a lot with spices. Pumpkin pie spice is one of them that stores overcharge for, and making it at home costs a fraction of the price. I'll show you how I make mine. So my friends, let's get cooking. In a small bowl, we'll combine ground cinnamon, ground ginger, ground nutmeg, then allspice, and finally ground cloves. We'll whisk the ingredients until well blended and transfer to an airtight jar. As you saw in this video, it's quite simple and the results are the same as the store-bought ones, minus the exorbitant price attached to it. I hope you enjoyed tips and tricks of the day, and for many more, including recipes, visit clubfoodie.com. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!